Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 16th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So we had a big liquidity spike today on gold because of rumors of Trump firing power, wanting to fire power again. But later on, Trump tweeted and said that that was not true. So it was kind of a fake news event, but boy, it definitely caused a big move in all the dollar pairs. Now, more than likely, we're still in a wave B. I was thinking that maybe the wave B was over, but when it made one, two, three waves down and a huge spike up, then obviously the wave B is not over. I was originally thinking last week that it was going to go up and grab these highs, so maybe it still will go up to the 78%. If it does continue to respect this 61% and then start to turn back down on the 4-hour time frame like that, then that definitely would convince me that the wave B is over and we're heading down for the wave C. Gold has been a little tricky, to know whether the wave B really is over or not these last few trading days. So definitely be aware of the fact that possibly the wave B is not even over anymore. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, if it starts to really start to push down again, like that, then I would probably, especially if it goes down and breaks this low, then I would start looking for shorts again on pullbacks. But otherwise, keep an eye on it. I mean, if it does do something like this, like make some sort of a three-way pullback, and maybe on a little bit of a shorter time frame, you might even end up taking it as a long towards the 78% that I showed on the 4-hour time frame. As always, definitely trade with caution. I do think it is very likely a wave B because of how overlapping it is. It's just when is the wave B over is definitely the question. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.